Hello, Weekend Crafter. Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Ange, your weekend crafter, and for this weekend, I am making a tile bracelet. I got this idea of embedding my micro beads from Studio 039 on Instagram, and I really wanted to try using this material on clay. For my tile design, I'm making something celestial themed, so I'm using a silicone mold of stars, a moon micro puncher, and some sculpty accents, galaxy glitter blue for that extra sparkle. So first, let us condition the clay. Once it's conditioned, I flattened it into the number 4 setting on my machine. You can actually roll it out a bit thicker, but I just wanted the bracelet to be light on my wrist. Next, place some soft plastic on top of the clay and punch some curved edge squares. I got this cutter from createalong.com, and I'm sharing a link in the description in case you're interested in getting them. For the next step, I'm mixing this light yellow and rolling them into the number 6 setting. If you'd like glow-in-the-dark stars, you can use the glow-in-the-dark Sculpey clay. Again, I am placing soft plastic on top and getting my moon cutter. I am dusting the moon with some mica to make it extra shiny. Now it's time to place the moon onto the tile. I am dusting the silicone mold of the stars before pressing down the clay. I used the satin slice to get a flat back and just push the stars out. I have very tiny fingers, so I just use them to lift these. But you can obviously use a detail needle as well. I made 3 different patterns that I will be repeating. Each time I made a star, I went back to brush the mold with the mica, so each of the stars will be coated with mica once I pop them out. Finally, it's time to bring out the micro beads. These are super tiny beads that you can actually bake in with the clay. I've seen it used on crafts and card making. To stick it to my clay, I just place a tiny bit of liquid Sculpey and go ahead and place the beads with your detail needle. I also textured all of the stars and the moon using my detail needle. Now these are how the tiles are looking once they're baked. I really love how the micro beads look because it adds to the starry vibe of my clay tiles. Then I used a mica drill to place holes on both sides of the tile. I also gave the tile a quick brush of the Sculpey glaze. Finally, this is how the bracelets look like once they are assembled. As you can see, I had so much fun making them, I ended up doing 2 more sets of tile bracelets. You can also design individual tiles to be pendants and hang them on a necklace chain. And that is it for today's video. If this is something that you enjoyed, do check in every weekend for a new video and hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!